Vinod is asking, what is the place of knowledge in life? Is knowledge all about gathering external information? What others have said? What's written in books? Who is a knowledgeable person? He asks. You know, there are two separate words and they must be understood clearly. One is knowledge, the other is knowing. Knowledge is just information provided in a comprehensible form. Knowledge is just information provided to you in a comprehensible form. It comes from outside and it just gets stored. All knowledge comes from others, all knowledge comes from the past. Whereas knowing happens right now. What is happening with you, Vinod, right now is knowing. Knowing is understanding. There is a great difference between knowing and knowledge. Knowing is far, far more important than knowledge. Are you getting it? Knowledge comes from outside, knowing is totally yours. Knowing is a function of intelligence. Knowledge is the function of these senses and the brain. Right now what is happening? Your senses are receiving what I am saying, you are looking at me, you are hearing. They are carrying these inputs, these signals to your brain, and this knowledge is going there. But whatever is happening, the real thing is happening in your intelligence. That is not knowledge. That is real knowing. See, if knowledge were the real thing, then our dear Mike should have become a great scholar by now. So many people have come over here and they have spoken into this mic, right into this mic. They have given it so much of knowledge. But it has no knowing. If knowledge were the real thing, then hard disks should have been pandits. Because they contain so much of knowledge. 1000 GB of knowledge. If knowledge were the real thing, then Google would have been the wisest person. Are you getting it? And encyclopedias would have ruled the world. They contain so much knowledge. But all of you are carrying these poor books. Look how poor they are. If a fire breaks out here, then these books can't even work on their own and they contain so much of knowledge. They would be dependent upon you to take them out. That camera which is recording everything and is listening and everything is going in its memory would just keep standing there and get burned. Because it does not have intelligence. Knowledge and intelligence are different. Knowledge and knowing are different. Yes, get knowledge, but knowledge will always remain secondary. Obtain knowledge, but knowledge will always remain secondary. The real thing is knowing. Yes.